Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, chicken and mushroom stroganoff. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. I start to saute the chicken. Then I pull the chicken and set aside. Then I add the onion to begin to saute. I add the garlic and get it sauteed. I add the mushrooms and cook them down for about 3 to 4 minutes. I add the Hungarian paprika. Then I add the flour and continue to stir. I add the chicken broth. Then I add the heavy cream. Then I reintroduce the chicken. I add the sour cream, the Dijon, and the special ingredient. And here's what it looks like in the pan. And here's the final presentation. And I dressed for this special occasion. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.